So for today, wait, can you see? Can you see the slide? Okay, you can see. Alright. Now, for today, what we are going to learn is about measurement volume of liquid. Measurement volume of liquid. Apa itu volume of liquid? Volume tu seminggu sebelum ni kita dah belajar, the previous week kita dah belajar, we have learned about volume of solid. Kita nak mengira volume yang kita gunakan cube. We use cube to measure the hollow boxes. Now we are going to learn how to measure volume, isi padu, volume of liquid, cecair. Liquid tu cecair. Okay, so I introduce to you first what is the tools, some of the tools that we can use to measure the volume of liquid. The first one is measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder. In Malay we call it cylinder penyukat. Measuring ni menyukat cylinder lah, because the shape is in cylinder. Right? Next one is beakers. Beakers. Kalau if it's only one, beaker. Okay? Beakers. Okay, what is the difference? As you can see here, unit yang digunakan dia lebih spesifik, this one, measuring cylinder. Compared to beakers, it only show in hundreds, 200s, 300s, 400s, and so on. And it is in different sizes, which means some can store more liquid. For example here, 250 ml, and this one 150 ml. Maknanya ada pelbagai size, ada yang boleh buat 250 ml, 150 ml, dengan ini paling besar sekali 800 ml. There are bigger ones, but this one is only 3 sizes. Okay, so next one is, what is this? Auni, what is this, Auni?
Syringe.
Syringe. Okay. Syringe. Normally, you use it to eat.
Ubat.
To take in your medicine. Kamu tak erti makan ubat pil lagi, so you need to use this one. Some use spoons, but the babies cannot use spoons. We use syringe. Right. That is the tools that we can use to measure the volume of liquids. Yes, Auni.
Bukan ke syringe tu also guna untuk cuci orang?
Yes, but it's different one. Different, orang kata pakai depan ni. Ini dia tak tajam. It's same. Okay, ni it's the same, but it's different. Dekat depan ni dia punya nozzle dia different.
Kalau yang macam nak cuci orang tu, bucu dia memang dia akan tajam.
Yes, dia akan tajam dan dia buat pada besi. And ini dia buat untuk minum, untuk ni syringe. Dia tapi dia tumpul je, dia plastik.
Kalau yang cucuk tu macam mana ubat daripada dalam cucuk tu boleh masuk dalam tangan? Kalau yang cucuk laba tu kecil sangat.
Kalau macam air tu, macam kita macam straw. Okay, macam straw. Air masuk macam straw macam mana? We suck it in. Same like this, we pull at the back. Tarik yang belakang ni, ubat akan masuk ke depan. It suck.
Macam mana je?
Yes, Nasran.
Kalau tarik dari belakang yang hitam kat depan tu untuk apa? Kalau tarik dari belakang hitam tu untuk apa? Yang kat depan.
Ini dia nak menghalang daripada orang kata liquid tu pergi ke sini. Kalau kita tarik ni dia ikut sekali. Kalau next class kalau kita buat nanti saya akan tunjukkan kalau seada lah. Saya tunjukkan
Oh, yang hitam tu untuk macam tarik air ke?
Yes. Tarik air, tolak air dia ikut sini. Kalau tarik air dia akan masuk ikut depan. Kalau kita tolak yang belakang ni, maknanya kita tolak yang ini. Yang hitam ni sebenarnya. So dia tolak ni keluar. Okay.
Okay.
So, how to measure the volume of liquid? Ini cara kita nak dapatkan isi padu cecair yang tepat. Volume of liquid yang tepat. Kalau kita beli botol, yang ni normally dikatakan sini 150 ml. 150 ml. But how can we make sure it is 150 ml? Cara kita nak pastikan. So, in these steps, I'll show you how to measure the volume of liquid using cylinder, measuring cylinder. The first steps that we can use is place the measuring cylinder on a flat surface. Okay, kalau kita letak flat on the flat surface, for example table or floor, but normally we use table which is more proper. Okay, where if we put on the not so flat, it will not stable, so we cannot see accurately on the top. You cannot see where is the water level. Paras air kita dapat tengok dengan tepat. Kalau dia sengit, tak susah kita tengok. Okay, so the first step is to make sure we place the measuring cylinder on a flat surface. Pastikan measuring cylinder itu berada di atas permukaan yang rata. So, next one. Okay. Pour the liquid into measuring cylinder. Okay. Bila kita dah pastikan dia rata, baru kita tuangkan ia ke dalam measuring cylinder. So, ulang balik sekali. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, this one. Okay. Pour the liquid into measuring cylinder. Properly. Okay. So after that, hold a piece of white paper behind the measuring cylinder. Okay. Kenapa kita kena letakkan paper di sebalik kertas, di sebalik measuring cylinder? Because kalau kita pernah tengok measuring cylinder tu, measuring cylinder is a transparent object. Still remember transparent object? Apa maksud transparent?
Light goes through.
Very good. The light goes through. So we cannot see accurately the water level, especially the transparent water like this. No color at all. If there is no color, it's hard. Sudah tahu transparent. Okay, if there is no color, it's hard to see the water level compared to the measuring cylinder. So kalau kita buat dalam makmal, for example, in the science lab, belakang dia kabur. Can you see the water level properly? No, it's hard. So what we need to do is we put behind it a piece of paper, a white paper. Okay, so that the water level, the measuring cylinder will contrast compared to the background. So it helps us to see the water level better. Okay, understand? Navi, okay? Alright. Yes.
Ada soalan.
Yes, Auni.
Kalau air itu warna hitam atau coklat atau oren.
So, okay, very good question. If the color of the liquid is different, such as yellow, black, white, you must use the paper that contrast the color of the liquid. Kalau air tu warna putih, janganlah guna kertas warna putih, kita guna kertas warna hitam. Understand ni? Alright.
Yes.
So we use the color paper, but normally we use the white colored papers because it contrasts most of the colours. We can contrast with the red, yellow, blue, black, semua. So normally we use the white paper. But if the liquid is white, we
White.
use different coloured paper such as blacks or red, another colour. Okay? So
So,
after that, yes.
kalau air tu white punya pink tak?
Warna pink pula dah. Apa? Lagi sekali Auni, what's your question? Auni.
Kalau air tu warna pink tapi punya pink paper boleh?
Boleh, but I suggest you to use white paper because of what? Number one, it contrasts most of the colour. Two, it's easier to find white paper compared to cari warna pink punya paper. Susah nak cari.
Bukan.
Yeah?
Bukan ke white consist of all the colours?
Can change.
Kalau ambil yang benda tu, lepas tu dekat sunlight gocu, dia jadi dua colour.
Yes, but like I say, it contrast, membezakan antara banyak warna. Right? Okay, next. After the last step, sorry, ni nanti kita bincang lagi. The last step of the last step is to read the volume with your eyes at the same position of the as the level of meniscus. What is meniscus? Alright, if you put some liquid into any container, tak kira lah measuring cylinder ke, beaker ke, syringe ke, the level would be like this. Okay, this is what we call meniscus. Meniscus is the curve on the surface of the liquid in the container. Dia ada melengkung sikit kat ujung ni. Ini dia flat, di sini dia melengkung sikit. Ni kalau mendengar nanti kamu belajar kenapa dia melengkung ni. Right? This is what we call meniscus. Yeah. So if we take a look at this one, which is a clearer picture, as you see the liquid is curved. The surface is curved. So this is what we want to read. Ya, kita ambil bacaan di sini, bukan di sini. So the eye cannot be from higher than the meniscus, or we cannot see lower from the meniscus because it doesn't give us the accurate reading, bacaan yang tepat. Yeah. So we need to be at the same level with the meniscus. Understand? Alright. Ya, kena sama paras dengan meniscus. Ya. Apa tu meniscus? So, ulang balik. Meniscus tu yang bawah pada lengkungan, ya. Lengkungan pada air. Sebab bila kita masukkan air, dia akan wujud satu melengkung, permukaan melengkung kat situ. So that's why we need to take at same level. Kalau tak, bacaan kurang tepat. We might see this one, or we might see this one. So we need to be at the same level. The eye must be at the same level of the meniscus. So like that, the eye must be at the same level of the meniscus. So that is the last step to read to measure the volume of the liquid. Okay, read the volume with the eye at the same position as the level of meniscus. That's why the first step is very important. Sebab kalau kita tak letakkan measuring cylinder on the flat surface, meniscus tu mungkin sengit. Bila sengit, bacaan tak tepat. So we need, from the first step already, we need to make sure it on the flat surface, and so that we get the accurate reading. Right, I think that's all for today's lesson untuk untuk belajar hari ini. What you need to do today? Sekejap je. Simple je hari ni, kita buat pendek je. Nanti kamu pening. Ni pun kerja dah banyak dah. Guna buku lah ni, buku. Okay, kalau kamu nak tengok lebih lanjut, more information in your textbook page 88 and 89. Yeah, 88 and 89. Yeah, it's not part of the syllabus tau ni. Apa, inset nanti kita discuss time kita masuk sekolah nanti. Boleh kamu bawa inset tu sekolah. Right? So the last part of this lesson, I give you time to complete page 58, 59 and 60, sorry. So this page 58, you only fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Isikan tempat kosong dengan jawapan yang ada. Yang ini tick, only tick which apparatus that can be used to measure the volume of liquid. Tanda yang mana kita gunakan untuk mengira isi padu cair. Yeah, so the answer here, and the last one, you number the steps. Yeah, if you still remember, kita gunakan buku sudah terangkan tadi langkah-langkah macam mana kita nak ambil bacaan. So your numbers and fill in the blanks using the answer. Okay, sorry, so telah tunjuk tadi. Okay ni nampak kan? Okay, numberkan di sini. So for example, this is pour the liquid so you write here is steps number 2. Contoh tuliskan on the numbers. Okay, any question about the task for today?
No.
Okay, if no, arigato. Thank you. Thank you for today.